Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for random variable. Kindly refers to the question. The numbers of vehicles owned by the residents in a housing estate is denoted as X is a discrete random variable with the probability distribution function given where we have the fx. So my suggestion is to have a table. Let's say we have X which is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have the probability. So kindly substitute the 0 and we will have 1 over 120. Followed by, if we substitute 1 into the second function, and we will have 1 over 2. Next, if we substitute the 2 into the second function, and we will have 1 over 3. Followed by, we have 1 over 8. And finally, if we substitute 4, we will have 1 over 30. Kindly refers to the question A. Verify that fx is a probability distribution function. So the question is how? As we all know, we need to sum up the probability for the fx, and summation for the probability fx or with the probability. In here we have 1 over 120 plus where we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 30, and we notice that we have 1, meaning that the summation for the probability which is equals to 1, and we can say that fx is a probability distribution function. B. Find the probabilities that a resident has more than 2 vehicles. So means that we have probabilities that x is greater than 2 vehicles. So as we can see, this is a discrete random variable, so sign is very important. So kindly modify the situation where we have x is greater equals to 3. So means that we need to sum up 1 over 8 plus 1 over 30. So means that we have the situation 19 over 120 or 0.158. Kindly refers to C. Find the cumulative distribution function of x and hence determine the median. So means that in here we need the capital Fx. So number 1 we have F0 which is 120. Next F1. So means that we have to sum up the Fx for 0 and also the 1, where we have 61 over 120. Continue. We need to sum up the 0, 1 and 2, which is 120 plus with 1 over 2 plus with 1 over 3. And we will have the probability 101 over 120. So here we have 101 over 120. Next, plus with 1 over 8. So we will have F3, which is 29 over 30. And finally, F4, we have 1. So where we have the CDF, which is the capital Fx. Next is to identify the Fm, which is equals to 0.1, meaning that we are going to find the location for the median or the location for the 0.5. So kindly refers to the CDF, or we can say the capital Fx. So where is the location for 0.5? So kindly express the situation in a decimal. So where we have 0.008. This one is 0.508. This one is 0.842. This one is 0.967. This one is 1. So where is the location of 0.5? As we can see, it is located in here. So we can say that the median, which is x, is equals to 1. D. Let y is equals to 30x plus 10 be the monthly fee in RM imposed by a security company. Find the expected amount of the monthly fee to be paid. Which means that we're going to find the EX first. Then only we find the EY. So the suggestion would be x multiplied with the fx. Next will be x squared. Next, kindly focus on the situation where we have to multiply the situation, where we have 0, 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 8, and 4 over 30. So the summation for x multiplied with the fx, where we have 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 8 plus 4 over 30. So the expected value or the EX will be equals to 67 over 40, or we can say 1.675. Next is to find the E bracket y. Or we can say e bracket 30x plus with the 10. So 30 ex plus with e10, which is equals to 10. So kindly multiply the ex, which is the 67 over 40 with the 30 plus with 10. So finally, we will have 241 over 4 or 60.3. So here we are, and thanks for watching.